Hope you are keeping safe. Welcome to my channel, Ridhma's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get all the recipes and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we are going to make a decadent chocolate lava cake. It is so easy and comes together in less than 30 minutes and it's a chocolate lover's dream. Let's start with the ingredients. For chocolate lava cake we need 150 grams of chocolate. I have taken dark chocolate. You can even take milk chocolate or mix both. It's up to you. 3 eggs, half teaspoon coffee. I love coffee, that's why I have taken coffee. You can even take 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, that is maida. 4 tablespoon sugar. I have taken icing sugar. You can take powdered sugar as well. Pinch of salt. 100 grams unsalted butter. Additional, some butter is needed for greasing the ramekins. Bake at 210 degrees for 15 to 16 minutes. All ovens are different. Mine took 15 minutes, maybe others will take 12 to 13 minutes only. I'll start off with greasing the ramekins with butter. Grease them nicely. All the ramekins. After this, I have taken some all-purpose flour, that is maida, and I am going to grease it nicely. All the greasing is done. Now we will keep it aside and we will start the lava cake. The water is boiling. Now I am going to melt the chocolate and butter over the heat. I am going to add 3 eggs in a bowl. Then 4 tablespoons of sugar, icing sugar. You can take normal sugar as well, and pinch of salt. And then I am going to whisk it by hand first, then I am going to take hand blender and whisk it. Our chocolate is ready. I'm going to add little coffee in the egg mixture and whisk it again. Our egg mixture is done. Now I'm going to add maida, that is all-purpose flour, and combine it well with a hand whisker. See the consistency of the mixture? See? Now I am going to fold in chocolate slowly. I have put my oven on preheat at 210 degrees for 10 minutes. Now I am going to transfer my chocolate in the ramekins. Fill it only half. With the ingredients, I was able to make 6 lava cake. Now they are ready to be baked. All our lava cake is done. Now I am going to take it out from the ramekin. It's very hot. See, it can come out easily. I am going to show you the insides. See how moist it is. Now I'm going to drizzle some icing sugar on top and serve it with strawberries. Now I'll show you how it is in the middle. See? If you like my video, why not check out my other videos? Hit the bell icon so you will get any notification every time I post a new video. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask me in the comments below and read my notes for any clarification. See you next time with a new and delicious recipe. Till then, take care and bye-bye.